Today I am going to discuss about the atomic structure, in which today we discuss about the Zeeman effect, Zeeman splitting, etc. Now the Zeeman effect. The history of Zeeman effect. The Zeeman's discovery earned him in 1902 Nobel Prize for the physics, which he shared with a former teacher, Hendrik Anton Lorentz. Another Dutch physicist, Lorentz, who had earlier developed a theory concerned the effect of magnetism on light. This theory was confirmed by a Zeeman's research and later modified by a quantum mechanics. Now, the Zeeman spectral splitting. The pattern and amount of splitting are the signature that a magnetic field is present and its strength. The splitting is associated with what is called the orbital angular momentum, quantum number L of the atomic level. The quantum number can take non-negative integer value. The number of split level in the magnetic field is 2, means L plus 1, 2 into L plus 1, where the S for a level with L is equal to 0, means when the value of L is equal to 0, then it becomes in a S orbit. When the value of angular momentum is equal to 1, then it present in a P orbit. When the L is equal to 2, then it becomes a D, and 2p means the level that has n is equal to 2 and angular momentum is equal to 1. The Zeeman effect can be interpreted in terms of the precession of the orbital angular momentum vector in the magnetic field, similar to the precession of the axis of spinning top in a gravitational field. Polarization of a spectral lines. The lines corresponding to Zeeman splitting also exhibit polarization effect. The polarization has to do with the direction in which the electromagnetic field are vibrating. One practical example is astronomy of such a polarization effect is that in the preceding example, the middle transition is the polarization such that it cannot be easily to observed from directly over a surface perpendicular to the magnetic field. When looking directly down on a sunspot which having a strong magnetic field, typically only 2 of the 3 line transitions shown above can be seen, and the line is observed to split into 2 rather than the 3 lines. The missing transition could be observed from the different angles where its light would be suppressed by a polarization effect, but it is very weak when observed from the direction overhead. The weak field effect. If the spin orbit interaction dominate over the effect of the external magnetic field and are not separately conserved, only the total angular momentum is the spin and orbital angular momentum vector can be thrown off at the processing above the fixed total angular momentum. Now the following formulas are the for the angular momentum L and the spin angular momentum S. Now the strong field effect. The Paschen-Beck effect is splitting of atomic energy level in the presence of a strong magnetic field. This occurs when the external magnetic field is sufficiently large to disrupt the coupling between orbital and spin angular momentum. This effect is the strong field limit of the Zeeman effect. When the two effects are equivalent, the effect was named after the German physicists the Friedrich and Ernst. The following are the formula for this one. Normal and anomalous Zeeman effect. G factor. When the Zeeman effect was observed for hydrogen, the effect of electron spin were discovered by a Goudsmit and Ullbeck. They found that the observed spectral features were the match by assigning to electron spin a magnetic momentum. Then the value of G is equal to the given one. Now the applications of Zeeman effect. To measure the magnetic field, example that the sun and other stars are in laboratory plasms. In nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, the electron spin resonance spectroscopy, magnetic resonance imaging and Mossbauer spectroscopy. It may also be utilized to improve accurately in atomic absorption spectroscopy. The theory about the magnetic sense and the bursts assume that a protein in the retina is changed due to the Zeeman effect. The measurement of pulse magnetic field. The Zeeman effect in molecular lines. The asymmetric observed in a Stokes profile from the sunspot and the interpretation of spectropolarimetric observations in the infrared. To use the Zeeman effect for increasing the selective or a laser isotopes separation. The Zeeman effect is used to produce the magnetogram showing the variations of magnetic field on the sun. Hope so you understand what is meant by Zeeman effect and Zeeman splitting. Thank you.